Here we're asked to find the surface area of this figure. So this figure has two bases that are identical. They're triangles. Look at that top triangle and the bottom triangle. And then there's three sides, and those three sides are rectangles. So there's this one here on the left, and then on the right, and then there's one in the front. So hopefully you can visualize this a little better. So we could find the area of each of those five sides and add them together. A slightly quicker way is to use this formula, where we're going to find the area of those two identical bases, and then we're going to find the lateral area, which is the area of each of those other sides except for the bases. And then we add them together. So first let's use this formula to find the lateral area, which is the perimeter of one of the bases times the height. So if we look at the top one, we see this is 1.5 and this is 1.5. What is the distance of this third side? Well, remember, it's identical to the triangle on the bottom base, so we know that third side is 1.75. So let's add those three numbers together to get the perimeter. And then we just multiply that by the height, which is the distance between the two bases. So when we multiply those together, we get 3.56 inches squared, approximately. I had to round that. Now let's find the area of the two bases. So the base is a triangle, so we need to recall the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times the height. So if we look at this bottom one, we can see that the base of the triangle is 1.75, and the height is the distance from the base to the tip here, perpendicular. And they're telling us it is 1.1. So what is the area? It's 0.96 inches squared. Now that is the area of one of those triangles. Remember, we need to find the area of two of those. So when we multiply that by 2, we get 1.92 inches squared. So now we just need to add those two together to get the total surface area. And we get 5.48 inches squared.